He was petrified.
Okay.
He was very scared. I tried so many times to extend my hand. You can say he is afraid that he does not want to do anything. The next morning, the first thing I did was call our vet, and they got us in. This was the first time I could touch him. He was under anesthesia. He turns and looks at me again. I'm trying to throw food again. After that, it was easy to eat immediately. I was allowed to sit down. Trust me. From that moment on, he found his forever family. He plays all day, climbing on us. Whatever you're doing, he also wants to do it. For us, we were very happy. He's in our life.